I'm consumer reporter Alan Mendelson. It's time to give yourself a financial checkup, and we get some tips from certified financial planner and chartered life underwriter Brian Gilder. You have to have a cash cushion.
You absolutely have to have a cash cushion, at least 6 to 9 months of liquid expenses in cash, not in stocks or bonds, in liquid cash where if you need that money within an hour, you can go to the bank and withdraw that money because unfortunately in today's economy, people are getting laid off and we need to prepare for that. So at least 6 to 9 months of your living expenses, liquid in cash.
Certified financial planner Brian Gilder says this is the time of year for a financial checkup.
IRA beneficiary form is something you should always check because many people might have changes in their life, such as their new children, the new spouse. I mean, could you imagine you got married 15 years ago and you never changed your beneficiary and your mother still owns your IRA, if God forbid you passed away, and your new spouse might not ever receive that IRA?
There are other things to check.
Life insurance policies you want to check. You want to check with your accountant about year-end tax strategies and making charitable contributions and maybe tax losses before January 1st.
Here are the major things to check now. Selling some stocks at a loss to cut your tax bill.
Well, usually under current law, you're allowed to get $3,000 a year in losses. So what you want to do is you might have some losers in the economy who doesn't, and you might want to sell those to try to get some tax breaks. So you would want to take advantage of that. And you might have some gains. You might be able to offset with losses. Talk to your accountant after the World Series, and you will have to make sure you have it properly done, because if you do it after January 1st, it's too late.
Be sure your insurance is up to date.
You want to check your homeowners and car insurance. Is it properly insured? If someone, God forbid, fell in your house and sued you for $1 million, are you covered? Most people are not. They need to look into umbrella policies. Cheapest policy you can ever buy for what you can get.
Check insurance policies for reduced premiums and lower prices.
Especially check permanent policies such as universal policies and variable policies. Rates have changed, and the current premium you're paying into your policy today might not be sufficient to carry your death benefit for the rest of your life. So you need to every year check to make sure that the current premium you're paying is enough to cover that death benefit. And many times, if you can act quickly enough, you might not have to pay as much premium down the road. I call it ticking time bomb insurance sometimes, because some people do not understand that they might have paid premiums in for 20 years and they get this notice in their 80s that the policy could lapse. And then they have to come up with a tremendous amount of premium to keep that policy in force. Check your car and homeowners insurance, and most people do not have what I call the cheapest insurance in America is an umbrella policy.
Be sure your will is up to date. You can get more information from certified financial planner Brian Gilder. Call him at 310-804-3767. Again, 310-804-3767. Or write to him at 8383 Wilshire Boulevard, Suite 240, Beverly Hills, California, 90211. I'm Alan Mendelson. Thanks for watching.